Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I am doing a video hop with a bunch of other artists, and guess what the common theme is? No, it's not paint. It's favorite things. So I was doing a little inventory of my stash and found all that paint, and I decided that must be my favorite thing if I keep buying paint. I mean, I know it's all on clearance and stuff, but I don't need to buy any more paint. So that is my favorite thing. Or an addiction, I'm not sure which. So I thought I would just take some of Dina Wakley's paints and just create sort of an abstract, really no plan. Like this kind of ends up looking a little bit like a landscape, maybe out of Dr. Seuss. But I was just going with cool colors, then warmish colors. They're kind of cool, warm colors. And and just doing an ombre-ish sort of thing. So we're going to play with the palette knife and large quantities of paint and see what we can come up with. So, even though it's got plenty of texture, I thought I would just kind of scribble in the paint. I think they call that sgraffito, but there's no real words, it's just a bunch of scribbles, just to move the paint a little bit more in a different kind of way and add some more texture to the background. So those first paints went on pretty smooth. They were nice and creamy, but these ones are kind of chunky and lumpy and bumpy. I don't know if those colors just don't last as well. Maybe those tubes are older. I don't know. I got them all at the same time, pretty much, I think. But I've had them for, let's see, probably 2 years, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, I I figured I would put these colors going in the opposite direction, kind of a, what is that, vertical direction, to create a sort of focal point or point of interest. And yeah, I gotta work with that paint. It's kind of a mess. So I decided I'd add a little bit of her cheddar. This one's a newer tube of paint, so it's in good shape. but it didn't really show up much. So I'm going to add a little bit of white, and this is Dina Wakley's white gesso. She doesn't, in my little set, I just have the white gesso and not white paint, but it works the same. Thought I'd give my little flowers, plants, some highlights. So don't forget, this is a video hop, so check the links in the description box below. If you click on the next one, you will go to the next artist and repeat that and get through everybody. And I hope you enjoyed my little impromptu abstract sort of painting. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, tell everybody about the hop, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.